Okay, damage report. Not as bad as I thought, but nonetheless, still damaged. I had to fix this. Let's pull this guy off of here. As you can see, I had to dig out all the foam, and then I had to load it up with resin. And then right here where it was cracked, that's epoxy. What I did was I took, I noticed my videos lately have been really shaky. I'll try not to be so shaky, but I think I failed already. As I took the die grinder with this bit, and I actually dug into the two sections of spoiler, so there was a kind of a hollow here between the two, and I went all the way up as far as I could with it, and then I loaded it up with epoxy right on where the crack was. So I think this is good now. Likewise here, same thing, right where the crack was. So now it's just a matter now of just cleaning this thing up. I'm sorry for the shaky cam, and let's see if we can set this bird down. It's kind of tough doing this one hand. Alright, that's it. But what I have to do now, cheap, inexpensive paint. We're gonna switch hands here because I'm not ambidextrous, and we're gonna guide coat. You know, guys, all you guys know what guide coat is, but for those that don't, it's essentially a dusting of paint on your panel. They sell actually it's like a black chalky powder, or you can do it with guide coat paint, but I choose to use the inexpensive stuff because it's all gonna get sanded off anyways. You just try to dust it. Don't go crazy with it. Back here too. I know for a fact I have to fix that corner, but we're just gonna guide coat this. Okay. We'll do half the trunk lid. Now we'll do the whole damn thing. The heck with it. Then I'll know where I stand. Trying to do it with the fan there. As you can see. Epic fail. Epic fail, you loser. Okay. We're just fogging it. You just want a little bit of haze. So we're to the point where we're guide coating now. This has 100 grit scratch. Okay. Alright. Okay. This is pretty much where I did my body work. So, we're guide coated now. I could take a little bit more right here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to grab my flex block here. 180 grit. I'm down to 100. This is 100 scratch that I just primed over. So I'm going to take that 180 grit. Probably going to find the stand. Here we are. See it? Here we are. Find the stand. I'm going to put the camera on the stand, set it up, and then we're going to go together and see how much I can destroy this panel. Because, yes, I suck. Hope everybody's doing well out there. I might have to edit this. Might not. And I'll bring you back when I'm up on the stand. Alright guys, hold on. Okay, I'm going to grab this spoiler and just take it off and just place it somewhere else. Since you just want to figure out where your highs and lows are, Try to hold it flat on your panel. Just let the paper work and do what it's supposed to do. And you want to sand until you see no more black. But not as much to burn into the primer to get down to the metal. And what I'm seeing right now is I got a real big low spot. I got a couple of little spots. Okay? I'll try to sand them out. So I'm starting to burn through now. I don't want to go any further than that. The Bondo game we live. High spot, burn through. Right to the steel. Low spot, really low spot. This is going to tell me where I got to be. But I'm getting to the point now where it's going to be in the final body work here. It's high here, here, and here, so I might have to tap that down a bit. What is it on the body line here? Trying to keep this board as flat as I possibly can. Another high spot here. See, I'm burning through here and here. Not burning through here at all. Right there. That's high, low, 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 high, high, low, low, really low. And when I get to the contours here, I got a little smaller block that I'm going to use. So far, this is really low, and this is really high. You guys get the gist of it, right? Alright, well pretty much that's going to tell me where to go, where to be. And I don't know if I'm even going to use this. This is old news to some, but might be news. New news to can't talk right now. Alright, hold on. Alright, this is the state of this rear quarter. It does have more waves than the beach. I'm trying to fix that. We have highs, we have lows. That's brought down level. We had a whole bunch of ripples here along this top edge. That's gone. But I don't want to cut too much into the Bondo. I have to bring everything up to these high points. You see that dent right there? It feels good now, but that's the highest point. And then over here, as you can see, I got a real big low spot here, and I got, this is kind of high. I'm cutting it down, and I'm coming over the fender arch here, the wheel arch. So I have to use a smaller block, which I've been doing, and I gotta just go in little bites, and essentially take it down until you see no more black. And if you start seeing steel, you gotta stop. So this is essentially just a filler coat. It was to see where I stood. Now I'm gonna grab some icing, glazing, spot glazing, And I'll fill this, and I'll fill all the little. I'm not going to use the regular green polyester filler. I can use it, but I rather use the smaller stuff there, the smoother stuff, the icing, the spot glaze. So we will just keep sanding here, and just get rid of the black. Try not to dig into the steel. You can help it. So what I'm doing is I'm leveling off. I'm leveling off everything that has to be leveled. See, that's high. I'm already digging into it. So I'm just gonna keep working it. Probably stay out here for a couple more minutes. And see, you see the bondo starting to come through. But I'm taking the black down and trying to get it all consistent gray. But these contours are tough. Everybody knows about contours. Okay, so when this is all done, which should be this, roof, doors, you hear the stomp, that's the dinner bell. So, this is Mark from the second gen. A little bit of guide coat and sanding. And hope everybody had a good day today at work, or wherever you are. It's Mark from the second gen. You'll all be safe. And everybody take care. We will see you on the next one. Peace.